Okay, I'm so excited. I just got my order already for this t-shirt I ordered from Keepsake Collect. Brand new company. My amazing creative nephew Paul started this company, and I am order number 1. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm so excited. This shirt has a feather on it, and that has extra meaning to our family right now. So yeah, let's take a look. I haven't even looked at it yet. So this box came in the mail already today. I was pretty excited, from Keepsake Collect. And let's check it out. Okay, so it comes in this amazing box. If I selected the option to order the box for it to come in, so that you can see this cool feather on it, this feather design. So then the box opens, and yes, here's my t-shirt. I'm so excited. Okay, ready? How cool is this shirt? Look at that. So it's got the feather on it. Oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. Oh my gosh, this is seriously so soft. Yeah, I'm gonna go put this on in a minute. And look at this kick and tag on the sleeve. That is so cool. Okay, that just makes it even cooler. Okay, so here's the scoop with this. So the t-shirt comes with the shirt and the print. You can use the attached dowel rod on the wooden print so that I can set it up. Check it out like this. Sign your name on the back of the box to leave your mark. Here we go. Can you see that? Box number 1. So sign your name on the box, take a picture, and tag it using the hashtag on the back to track its journey. How cool is that? So I will basically put my name on here, then I can order new t-shirts from them, put in here, re-gift them. That person then will sign, and it'll go on, and I can track where it goes. This is such a cool idea. I totally encourage everybody to go check this out. The website is keepsakecollect.com, and this is just awesome. And they got other designs you can choose from, but this was my favorite. Thank you, Paul, so much. Have a good day.